I channeled a message during my meditation today, and it was like when you when you do the things that you truly love, that brings that inner peace, satisfaction, joy from within you. Any activity like painting, dancing, creating something, reading, anything, anything that you do that brings harmony, love, feelings of gratefulness, gratitude, satisfaction, and it forces you and it takes you in a flow state, like you have no sense of time. You can do it all day and it makes you peaceful, and it makes you feel peaceful. That is the frequency that you have to keep on tapping into again and again. When you vibrate on such a frequency, the right people who you are meant to be with, who sees you for who you are, and you don't have to pretend in front of them. You don't have to be somebody else to please them. They will like you for who you are, because you are being your authentic version. When you are doing stuff that you love, when you are doing activities that you enjoy, you are tapping into your authenticity, and you will then magnetize the right people, opportunities, career path, money. Everything will start flowing into your life. Like you magnetize this video by vibrating on that frequency. This video will only reach to the people who are vibrating on the frequency of love, and who needs to listen how important it is to love themselves, to prioritize themselves, to respect themselves. Because when you respect yourself, when you prioritize yourself, when you love yourself, that's when people will start respecting you. That's when people will start loving you and give you that treatment that you always expect others to give you. It's not by giving, it's by being and receiving. You can never attract something by overgiving. There's a difference between giving and overgiving. Giving is when your cup is full, when you're full of love, when you're full of happiness, that it's overpouring, when it's overflowing. And when it's overflowing, then you give it to people. But what you're doing is, your cup is empty, you have no love for yourself, you have no respect for yourself, and everything that you have, that little amount of love that you have inside you, you're giving it to others. You know why? Because you're expecting them to give it back to you. Because you're expecting them to give it back to you. And it's not going to work, because you will always feel empty. I don't know who needs to hear this, but please prioritize yourself. Do not give people from an empty cup. If you cannot do it, if you cannot afford it, don't do it to please others. If you don't have it, don't kill yourself to please someone else, to get their compliments. It's killing you. Prioritize yourself. Love yourself first. When you will love yourself unconditionally, the right people will see it and they will come in automatically. You will not even have to make any efforts. It's going to be so effortless. It's going to be so effortless. Trust me.